Welcome back to mellowish channel. How was your first meeting with Hangul? I hope it'll be the best experience you've ever had. Before starting today's lesson, let's review what we've learned last lesson. Yes, you got to know what is consonants and vowels. There are 14 consonants and 10 vowels. And now we can read it even though we don't know what is the meaning. So let's review 4 words. First word is this. S, you, 슈, 기억, 가. Yes, it's a name of BTS member, 슈, 가. Great. Second one is 지. It means that. Third one is 고, 기. It means meat. Last one is ni. It means mother. It's really great. I can feel you've had a hard time to memorize and understand Korean. Thanks for your effort. Today's topic is 5 double consonants and remaining 11 vowels. I'm sure you can do it. Don't be scared. Those are 5 double consonants. It's very similar with normal consonants. Yes, you can say double consonants with more strong accent than normal consonant. That's all. Then let's take a look. First one is 쌍기역. Yes, only this word is added. 쌍 means double. So 쌍기역 is double of 기역. Sound is like 끄. 기역 sound is 그. So ground sound is like a 그. 끄, it's like a French word 깸. 끄. Second one is 쌍시옷. Of course, it's double of 시옷. Sound is like 스. So shower sound is 스. Samba sound is 스. Third one is 쌍지읒. It's of course double of 지읒. Journey sound is 즈. Chinese word 짜요 sound is 즈. It's like this. First one is 쌍디귿. 쌍디귿. It's double of dig. Sound is d, d. So drama sound is d, d. And the song of the baby shark, maybe you know, baby shark do do do. Yes, that sound is do, do 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 do. I'm sorry for singing. Last one is sang bi up. It's double of, yes, p. Sound is b, b. So bow, sound is b. And 뽀뽀 sound is b. 뽀, 뽀. 뽀뽀 is kiss. One more. After you come to Korea, you must hear this. 빨리 빨리. It means quickly, quickly. 빨리 빨리. It's also B pronunciation. B. There are 11 vowels. For better sound, I just added ing sound and made two groups. First line vowels are placed next to consonants, and second line vowels seems like they are covering consonants. Even it seems more difficult than normal vowels, it's just a combination of vowels. Let's read vowels. 에, 예, 에, 예, 왜, 와, 위, 워, 왜, 의. Yes, you might think all those sounds are same or at least similar. Yeah, it's true. It's a bit difficult to catch small difference, but relax, no worries. I'm here for you. You just need speed to read it properly. Let's get started. Okay. You need only two things. First thing is check what's the combination of it. For example, a sound is combination of a sound and e sound. Got it? Okay. Then number two, say as fast as you can. So let's say it. A, E. A. Yes, I know it's kind of embarrassed, but with it, there's nothing Hangul you cannot read. Believe me, please. Here is A. A is combination of, yes, A and E. So, read it as fast as possible. A. Yes, like this, you can read every vowels. S sound is apple, apple. And French word aimer is also a sound. Next, ye sound. Ye sound is combination of ya and e. Ya, yes. Ye sound is 얘기하다, which means talk. 얘기하다, 예. Next sound is 에. 에 sound is combination of 어 plus 이. 어이 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 어이. Yes. You might wonder what's the difference between 에 and 에. When you say first 에, your tongue should place more down in your mouth, like this. And you should open your mouth widely. 에. When you say S sound, your tongue should be placed more upper than this S sound, and you should stretch your mouth like this. 에. Practically, you can say 에 or 에 in same way. It's not a problem. Go back to the lesson. 에 sound is combination of 어 plus 이. 어이 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 에. So we use this 그에게, 그녀에게, 너에게. We use 에. So this 에게 means to. So 그에게 means to him. 그녀에게 means to her. 너에게 means to you. Next, 예 sound. 예 sound is combination of 여 plus 이. 여이 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 예 sound. 예쁘다, which means pretty, is this sound 예, and yellow, it's same sound too. And yes, this also same sound. Next one is 왜. It's combination of 오, 이. 오이 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 왜. So 왜 sound is French word suer. It is 왜 sound. 왜 sound is very similar with 왜. So we use this sound 왜, which means why in Korean. 왜. Wow, almost half is done. You can get some short rest in here, cause next one is easy. Yes, I said wow. 와 is combination of O plus 아. 오와 와 sound. So what, why sound has same 와 sound. What, why, 와. Next one is we. This is combination of 우 plus E. So we. Yes, as hearing, you can catch it has same pronunciation with French word, which means yes. We. And we sound is same like we. 3 more left. What sound is combination of U plus A. Wo. What sound is kind of war, but delete the last consonants. Wo. Then it would be perfect. Next one is we. We is combination of U plus A. We sound. We sound is wafer, which is delicious, and there is one more, way. Finally, last vowel. Last vowel is U. U is combination of U plus E. I recommend you guys just memorizing it because there is nothing can be replaced with this vowel. I'll give you some examples of the vowel. 의사, which means doctor. 의자, which means chair. Finally, last chapter of today's lesson. I prepared some Korean words to practice about today's lesson and suggest you that read those words at least 10 times. Practice it until you get used to it. Okay, then listen and repeat after me. 까마귀, 까마귀. 꼬마, 꼬마. 쓰레기, 쓰레기. 싸움, 싸움. 진짜, 진짜. 가짜, 가짜. 똥, 똥. 뛰다, 뛰다. 뼈, 뼈. 예쁘다, 예쁘다. Next, 애인, 애인. 얘기, 얘기. 너에게, 너에게. 예쁜, 예쁜. 외로워, 외로워. 왜? 왜? 와, 와. 위, 위. 즐거워, 즐거워. warehouse, warehouse. 의사, 의사. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and next video will be short about final consonants videos. Until then, focus on studying and don't forget to get enough rest too. Bye bye.